welcome to my channel Teen Tech. So today is all about operating systems 2, that is main functions of an operating system. So let's go into the topic without any extent. So first is all about user interface. User interface which provides a way for users to interact with the computer. So for example, clicking icons or typing commands, like I'm using this computer and I'm using this all the system is also and clicking icons or typing commands, and these have two types. First is graphical user interface, which is from Windows icons menus, like Windows laptops, Android mobiles. These are also have a graphical user interface, which is an operating system. It is a main function. Okay, now second one, CLI, command line interface, commands typed by the users. That means which I have typed in this, even in this window, and which you are seeing, which you have been typed, which you have been linking, which you have been scrolling, is also an OS, operating system. These MS DOS, Linux and terminal. Coming to second one is all about process management. Here process management handles a running programs, which that means processes, decides which program runs first and for how long. For example, when you listen to music when browsing the internet, the operating system manage both without crashing, right? Here, this process management decides which programs runs first. It shares to the CPU time among multiple applications. Even I'm doing here a screen recording, I'm recording a voice, and I'm even sliding these lights. This is the process management. And coming to the second one, memory management. Memory management is nothing but manages your computer's RAM. It means RAM is equals to random access memory. That is a main memory actually. So it keeps the track of which program is using which part of a memory. This is in the second line actually. See here. Manages virtual memory when RAM is full, right? Here example is prevents a game from using memory meant for your browser. That means here it prevents a game from using memory. Here manages virtual memory when RAM is full. RAM is nothing but a random access memory that I have told you before. So here it does this memory from apps to operating system, operating systems to memory. And this memory have three types. First is cache, second is primary, and third is secondary. So next coming to file management. Here file management is nothing but organizes data in files and folders on a storage device like hard drives, SSDs, pen drives. Here it is written as same, organizes data into files and folders, controls permission who can read or write. For example, saving your document or Word document, PowerPoint document, or opening a photo. This here comes file where we can store everything, right? Next, it also provides ways to create, read, write, and delete files so that we can manage a file. Now coming to fifth one, device management. Here device management is controls inputs and output devices like keyboard, mouse, printer, monitor, and acts like a translator between hardware and software. For example, When you press a key on the operating system, makes you sure the letter appears on the screen. This is called device management. And now coming to the next function, here security and protection. Security and protection is nothing but the operating system protects the system from unauthorized users and malware. Unauthorized users, in the sense, the person who is out of your laptop. That means the person, if the person is an owner for your laptop, if he doesn't use, if the other person use, it protects from that person and provides login systems, permissions and antivirus support. For example, you need a password to log in into a Windows. See here, username we enter and password, then it will come to us, and this process is all known for the main user, which is owner of the laptop or a computer or a device, right? And coming to the seventh, networking. Here networking is nothing but helps computer connects and share resources over all the internet or local networks. And examples of operating systems are personal computers, laptops. In these personal computers and laptops, we have three types. First is Windows, second is Linux, and Mac OS. Mac OS is nothing but, all of you know that this Apple mobiles, Apple laptops and iPads, these all have Mac OS. And second one is all about mobiles and tablets, which is Android and iOS. Others are Unix, Linux, Chrome OS. And in short, the OS is like the manager of a company. Hardware equals to workers, applications equals to departments, users equals to owner. Operating system equals to manager who controls everything, ensures smooth work, and reports back to the user. The operating system is like the manager of a company. It manages employees, that means processes. Manages employees in the sense processes. Office space, that means memory. So, filling cabinet means files. Here it fills the cabinet. OS fills the cabinet, that means files. And the OS have office tools like devices, and it secures your entire computer with the protection, and with the protection of a password or two step verification, etc. And receptionists, and finally user interface, it is called UI. So thank you everyone. Thank you. Meet you in the next video. Up to then, please do like, share, and subscribe if you want a new videos from us. Thank you for your support.